CEMOSA, leading company in engineering and quality control, is taking part in the Shift to Rail initiative as partner of the In2Track3 project. One of the aims of this project is to provide new, innovative solutions to monitor and improve the state of tunnels and bridges. CEMOSA is focused, among others, on the implementation of underwater robotic technologies to monitor submerged infrastructures, including scour and erosion around them. This technology supports the process of underwater bridge inspections, as it is potentially cheaper, safer, and more efficient. The robot is able to reach areas with difficult access, keeping operators and divers away from hazardous situations. Connected through a 100-meter tether, it sends all the necessary information without any interferences. It is equipped with a front camera that shows the operator a first-person view of the robot, useful for identifying any visual anomalies present in the structure. Likewise, it has many sensors that measure data like the water quality, a unidirectional sonar to measure the depth of the river or seabed, and a gripper that can be used as a tool to take samples. The live footage of the robot and the historical data can be saved for later post-analysis. CEMOSA's ROUV has been tested in some infrastructures in Spain, checking its functionalities in freshwater and saltwater, and its capability to function under turbid flows. The system has demonstrated its effectiveness, as CEMOSA is already using the ROUV as an additional service in its portfolio. CEMOSA is still enhancing the system, implementing new ways to improve underwater inspections and the information retrieved. They also intend to combine this service with digital twin technologies for bridges subjected to scour, fully digitizing the information subtracted from inspections.